Hello everyone, as we begin week 3 in our HFA 112 Introduction to Literature course, I noticed a couple of things that happened in our discussion forum last week that prompted me to want to make this quick video for you, just to make sure that you are very clear as to how to navigate through the course and how to do your work through the course, and especially how to work through each page of a module. So here you see I'm on the home screen. Welcome to the course, and over here are the navigation links. If you click announcements, then you will get always my weekly announcement, and also if something comes up that I think it's really important for you to know about, I will also post an announcement during the week. So announcements are really important to pay attention to, but what I want to pay attention to today in this video are the modules. So I'm clicking modules, and you will see that this is where all the information for the course is contained. If you haven't already watched this getting started information, you should do that. You should download the syllabus so that you have a real handy resource that reminds you what you are doing each week. But I'm going to move down to this week's module, Module 3 for Week 3, which contains 2 units, Unit 5 and Unit 6. In this module, we're going to be looking at the overview. And so what I'm doing is I'm going to work through each page of the module sequentially so that I get a really good grounding in what the material for this module is about, and so that I can be really successful when I'm responding to the discussion posts, doing my assignments, and taking my quiz. So you'll see the overview for this whole week is fiction and analyzing fiction. And you should read what's on this page. Then you click next to move to the assignments for the week. So what you're going to be needing to read, the fact that you will need to view and review a Unit 5 presentation. This is what you guys missed last week. You did not seem to know that you were supposed to look at the Unit 4 presentation on literary criticism. And then you're going to work in a discussion board, do an assignment, and take a quiz. So the next item up is, in fact, the presentation. And this is all about fiction, the history of fiction, types of fiction, elements of fiction, and then a good summary. You will have to work through every element of this presentation so that you can be, as I said, successful in responding to the discussion board. So I've already worked through this, but this is kind of how you'll learn the content for this particular module. You forward from within the presentation using this arrow. You can go back or forward. And then when you're done with the entire presentation, you click next to move to the next item that you're supposed to do. So here's the discussion for this week, week 3. And you'll see what are the different types of fiction, what are some similarities and differences between the types of fiction, and focus on one type of fiction, briefly write about its characteristics. All of this material you just learned about in the presentation. So do not ignore these presentations. And again, I'm emphasizing this because it seemed like some of you were not aware that you were supposed to work through your unit presentations. All right, so once you move through the discussion, you will move into another unit again for this week, Unit 5. You're going to be working on an assignment, and then take a quiz. And then it'll be time for Unit 6, in which you're going to be working on analyzing fiction. Here's your reading assignment for the week, and you need to also view and review the Unit 6 presentation, which will be right here. So again, you're going to be working through a presentation on analyzing fiction. And this, of course, will set you up perfectly to respond to the discussion. Select a work of fiction from the assigned reading, and then you ask questions. Answer questions. How did you use critical thinking to arrive at the questions that are being asked? All right. Wishing you all well. And again, if you have any questions, be sure to get in touch with me by phone or email. All my information